Data is a basic ingredient of doing science. And I want to help scientists with proper management of their data. For example, that you generate data, but then you have to really make clear what kind of data is it, how can you use it. If you're working yourself on a daily basis, you know it by heart. But then you store it and you look to it 2 months later and you don't even know it yourself what it exactly was about, let alone somebody else who maybe wants to continue with your data. So therefore you should always make what we call metadata, so data that describes what your generated data is about. My project partner and myself will provide a workshop to the people where, in the group where I happen to work, the Environmental Sciences group. And in that workshop we will explain things but also show what is an easy way to do it. They will all practice themselves if possible with their own data, just that they've done it once, that it is more in their mind and in their hands to do it, that it becomes automatically. With that workshop we will also provide some materials. For example, a poster with a flowchart, a nice flowchart. I have an example for PhDs where you can see I'm at this stage of my research, I have this and this questions, and given that question I should do that and that. To make it as easily as possible that people really do what they should do.